Hey, I recently shared my thoughts on medication for OCD, and it was interesting. I kind of find that it's a very all or nothing opinion. You either love it or you hate it, and which I totally get. My opinion is based off of many years of seeing people struggle with OCD and anxiety. So before I worked with it, I was very like, no one needs medication. You can just do the work. But what I've learned over time is that with medication, it just changes the game when it comes to doing treatment for OCD. But that doesn't take away the fact that there might be some people who have side effects. Some might have horrible side effects. I've heard people from major weight gain to even more anxiety or more stress or more depression because of it, or symptoms after they stopped medication. So yes, those risks are definitely there. But the thing I've seen for those who maybe aren't therapists, who don't see the other side of it, are the people who are rocking back and forth in their bathroom, crying every day because they cannot get themselves to do an exposure. They can't get themselves to do treatment. They are struggling. Or those who are trying so hard to do it and they're still struggling. That when someone says, you should never tell people to take medication, that's horrible, you're not seeing the whole picture. My thing for most people is let's do the treatment first. Let's try it. Let's get a good cadence on this thing. Do it as hard as you can. Like, make this your full-time job. I'm going to give you all the tools. You're going to understand OCD. You're going to get it. And if you're still struggling for some odd reason, maybe you add some medication. It makes it so much better for people to do exposures from what I've seen. But I've also seen people who are like, I got on medication and it was horrible. I shouldn't have done it. So I think we need to get out of this all or nothing camp when it comes to it. Because you're going to hear the horror stories. But you're also going to see all the ones in the comments who are like, this changed my life. I love it. I'm glad that I did it. I should have done it earlier. Also, always talk to a prescriber because that is important. It's not going to be right for everybody. This has been something that's been on my mind the last few days after I've received many comments, positive and negative. You should never do it. Why are you saying people take medication? And other people are like, it totally changed my life. I would have taken my own life if I didn't do it. You know, things like that. Like, gotta look at the whole picture. But anyway, great discussion. Thanks for letting me talk. I don't know if you're still here listening, but love y'all.